Last government versus this government. Last CEO versus this CEO. That branch versus this branch. We clearly define the boundaries of our work. Specifically, the structured frameworks, when they're getting introduced, they have a purpose behind getting design and why people adopt them in industry in a wide scale for adopting design thinking. There are other frameworks as well, systems thinking, TOGA, project management frameworks, this, that, and we came up with another version of our own framework, 6D or the hexathon framework. So every framework has a purpose, and that is what we have to get into us. Otherwise there is no point in actually learning that framework. Experience, what emotion is, the relationship between them, what triggers what, why, problem solving. How an emotion converts into a food experience or a travel experience, the learning experience.